Today I'm going to install an Android aftermarket radio in my Mitsubishi Triton. Even though I'm working on a Triton, these steps are pretty much the same for any car. I ordered this radio from eBay for $189. It's super cheap and I'm a bit worried about how well it works. My parcel just arrived and inside the kit, I got the screen, some wires, a USB connection, cables, mounts, radio GPS, a screwdriver, an adapter to connect the car's wire to the radio, a plastic trim tool to remove the radio cover, another car cover, and a manual. Use the plastic tool to slide into the gaps around the radio cover. It'll pop up easily. There are no screws, so it's straightforward. Use the screwdriver to take out the 4 screws on top, 2 on each side. There are also 2 screws at the bottom that need to come off. Once the screws are out, just pull the radio out and it should come off easily. Unplug the 3 cables at the back by simply pulling them out. Now take the new radio and connect the original cables to the adapter that came with the kit. This connects to the Android radio at the back. Plug in the GPS cable to the back of the new radio. You don't need to plug in the third cable, so you can leave it tucked inside to keep things neat. Screw the new radio into the new cover provided. It's easier if you screw the radio in first, then connect the cables. After that, place the new radio back into the original radio slot. It fits perfectly, which was something I was worried about. It was quick and simple. Time to test the radio. The screen turned on quickly. It took about 10 to 15 seconds the first time, and the touch screen is super smooth, like an iPhone. I loved how it looked. The next test is for Bluetooth. I connected my phone via Bluetooth and it worked perfectly. I could hear the music from my phone through the radio. The next test is for the radio. I switched to the radio and it worked great too.
Warning that lightning strikes could start new blazes this afternoon as fire crews work to contain fires in the Grampians.
The final test is for Wi-Fi. I connected the radio to Wi-Fi using my phone's hotspot to stream YouTube. The connection was successful. The video played perfectly.
That shines brighter than the star.
I also run an extra USB cable under the steering wheel to connect my pen drive. I use this when I go off-roading, where there is no signal. It works for music. Beside these features, you can also make phone calls, use maps, and the radio even has the AI voice command, which I think was pretty cool for this price. But you need to pay to activate it. For the price, this is a great deal. The same radio costs 4 times as much if you have it installed by the mechanic or buy it from a well-known brand. So I think it's a good investment. Overall, I loved it and I can't wait to get my reverse camera delivered, which is the main purpose of getting this radio.